Hello, everybody. This is The Wanderer. Recently, a senior friend of ours passed away, and so the children are in the process of clearing out the house. And they asked me if I wanted to drop by and pick up a few things. So, one of the things that what I was really interested in was the wood, and they had all this wood here that was there's some redwood and some oak here. And some of these were 16 feet long, so I had to cut them down. So I took my pickup truck over there, and actually I had to make two trips because I loaded them up and came back with so much stuff. So besides the wood, I also picked up all these steel drawers for they were full of screws and bolts and washers and such. So I'm thinking I may just do a project there, just clean them up. I don't think they need much repair work done, and then I'll maybe I can paint them up, and we'll see how that turns out. Okay, what I'm gonna start doing right now is scraping some of the labels that used to be on here, and then I'll move on here. Let's see how much I can remove. Then I'll go to my next step after this. What I did now was to reverse the hose on my shop vacuum so that I can use it as a blower, and I'm just going to blow off a lot of the dust from this. At this point I've already removed a lot of the labels and the adhesive on there, so I'm going to blow off some of that dust. Now I'll see if I'm thinking of getting a bucket and putting soap in there and a brush, and then that's the next step. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just soak these in soapy water and give them a little washing, and I'll rinse them. I want to get them cleaned up as best I can, and then I'm thinking of just going ahead and painting them. I guess I'll paint them black. May have to rinse these some more, but that's what I'm going to be doing for right now. Okay, at this point I've already scraped off all the labels and blew all the dust off with the vacuum cleaner. Then just I washed them with the soap and water. So now I let them dry overnight. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe here in case there's any more dust. Then we're going to start spray painting these in just a minute. See how that goes. Okay, so we're ready to start spray painting. I'll just work my way through the others. I've done some of the spray painting. I think that's all that I'm going to do for right now. Then I'm going to have to flip them over and do different sides here. So I'll come back to those later. Well, this is how the bins have come along. Already painted those, and now I'm starting to paint the cabinet itself. Got some before, and I'll do some after shots. Painted one side there. Yeah, let's see what we can spray paint here. Okay, so I finished painting the steel cabinet, and this is the finished product, and I'm very pleased with it. So now I'm thinking I may even just put it inside instead of one of the wood sheds, but we'll see. So anyhow, thank you for watching.